Imagine this. I'm on the site, pulling together everything that I need for my end of the week report. Under the pile of papers, with all the mental notes and social media messages, trying to piece together what happened within those days of the week so I can put it together in my weekly report. And under those pile, an additional work note is missed. And as you know, in construction, additional work rarely costs zero. It costs rework. It costs money. It costs time. It costs trust. It costs team morale. Have you ever lost a paper before that costs you thousands? The truth is, this isn't just my problem. All the construction managers I know runs their sites on paper, mental notes, and group chats. It's not the work that is hard. It's the system or the lack thereof. And that's what's bleeding time and money. When information lives on someone's head and on a scrap of paper, it's not information anymore. It's a risk. And risks has a cost. It has a price tag. Okay, so what does this mean? What does this mean for my team? Monitoring and tracking progress remotely from the site manually and weekly is hard. By the time the report is done, things are already late. Materials gets untracked and additional works are already forgotten. And the gap between what happens on the site and the report by the end of the week has already costs money. And so I built this centralized engine. It is a proprietary platform that centralizes everything that's happening in the site. Everyone, everyone in the site, including the workers, the foreman, not just the managers and the supervisors, have access inside the app in real time. The first one, the input. For the input, I have the plans. Plans are permanent features in the engine. All that has the app and all that is in the site will have access to the plans and can mark up in real time. I also have the attendance there for transparency and daily refresh of the head count. I have a section for the materials and it is per status marked with delivered, pending, delivery and for partial delivery. I have the tools section there to monitor the conditions of the tools on site so nothing gets lost and nothing gets damaged. I also have the section for the photos, and it has timestamps for the ease of reporting. And the most critical thing, the additional work section, with which additional work that will cost if forgotten will be logged separately. So there's no excuse anymore. And it's going to reduce rework into 0%. The second one is the synchronization. Everybody gets live updates in real time. A manager that is miles away sees the same thing as the supervisor that is on the ground. So decisions doesn't wait for Friday's report anymore. It happens in real time at the right moment, and decisions are decided right away. And the third one, it's the output. Those 12 hours is replaced by just one click. And that's just 5 minutes daily, 5 minutes a day. But it's already 90% reduction in the total time of manual reporting. And for the team, this isn't just a reduction of manual reporting or the cost of rework reducing to almost zero. It's also the agency it gives. It's the real-time updates. It's the daily monitoring that doesn't require travel to the site every day. It's a 24/7 monitoring of work, and it's saving mental energy since the inputs are there. It's the project is not going to run on the back of your head continuously. It's the agency to decide, and that produces guesswork, and it increases efficiency on site works. This is still early. These are projections. But even just the shifts in how information moves, that alone changes everything in our team. And the work was never the problem, it was the system all along. So I built a better one. And I think you do need as well.